Hello friends, welcome back to Learn by Rahul, and today we are going to discuss about a very important topic. What is the difference between the regression testing and retesting? And it is the one of the most favorite interviewer questions. So I would like to suggest to you, please watch my previous video exactly what is regression testing and what is retesting. So let's begin. What is the exactly mean of the retesting? So let me take a very simple example. Suppose a developer give a build to the tester to test the application. Suppose the build number is 1.0. Okay, and the tester tests the application and he find an issue. Okay, so he report to developer, and the developer fix that issue. Now the developer again release that build. Suppose that now the build is like build 1.1. okay, now the tester again test the entire application and also that particular fixed issue to ensure that the issue has been resolved and our application is working fine. So this is what the retesting. Now we talk about the regression testing. Suppose let me take a very simple example to understand what is the exactly the regression testing. So suppose we have an application and the feature like login feature where we enter the username, password and login. Now I want to add a feature like a checked box, remember my password. Okay, so this is what a new feature. So now the tester tests the entire application while the adding the new features to ensure that our existing functionality is working fine and it is not impacting by the added new features like remember my password. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the regression testing and the retesting. And one more, the basic and the most important difference between the regression testing and retesting is we can automate regression testing test cases, but we can't automate retesting test cases. Okay, so this is all about the regression testing and retesting. And if you like my channel, you can subscribe for more videos and update. And if you have any types of doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.